Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear student, most welcome to all of you. Inshallah, we are going to start our class formally. So, let me know, top side of the board, right side, left side, light and sound quality, is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? I think I have started my class with 10 minutes late. BGS class just recently stopped now. So dear students, today we will practice the practical geometry, which is chapter 7. So already to see this diagram you can understand which topics we are going to discuss. Already we have done construction number 1 to 5 and today we are going to discuss construction number 6. So my dear students, there are 50 students connected with us. So in the comment section you can tag to your friends to connect with us. Within a short time we are going to start our class formally. Shivli Akhtar said, sir, yes sir, everything okay. We are going to start our class formally. In my last classes I have said to you that we will start the chapter 8, statistical data and information. So my dear students, already we have completed this content up to last. Just we will practice after chapter 7. When we will complete chapter 7, then we will come back to again practicing the creative question. So, yes, already okay, everything okay. We are going to start our class, my dear students. Today our content is practical geometry and practical geometry. We are going to start here. Okay. First, we will discuss here (7.3) and this is content related with the 7.3 part is drawing angles, and this content is in your academic book, page number 153. This is the page 152. Started from first steps are draw. Question number 1, the first one, draw an angle and copy it. So the first question, draw an angle and copy it by using pencil compass. So first one we are going to discuss here. And in your academic book, this one is the construction number 6, and this is question number, we can start it here, construction number 6. Construction number 6. Okay, the first question, draw an angle and then copy it. So now we will draw any angle, because the measure is not given here. This is the one ray, and already we have discussed how to draw an angle, and this is another ray. These two ray we can mention here. This is OA and this is OB. The two ray OA and OB have a common vertex O. Now this is an angle. This is an angle. Now we will copy this angle exactly here. Now first step, we can draw like this is the angle X, or we can mention here AOB angle. So now we will copy this angle exactly by using pencil compass. Okay, draw a ray here. You can take here C D. Now at the point we will copy the angle X. We can mention here like AOB angle. We can mention here X. X may be 45 degree or 60 degree or 70 degree. Just we will copy this angle exactly here. Now the first step, placing the pointer. This is the most important part here. Placing pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc on OA and OB, and taking the same radius and placing pointer at C, draw an arc on CD. Now we will take again the measures, how much portions here, and placing the pointer here. Now we will take the exact measures. Give attention, my dear students. This is now exact measures. Now placing the pointer here and draw another arc on the previous arc. These two arcs intersect each other at this point. Now we will draw another line by using C and this intersecting point, and this is the exact copy of the previous angle. If this angle is 45 degree, this one will be 45 degree. If this angle is 60 degree, this one will be 60 degree. So this is the exact copy of this one. So if we write here like A O B angle is equal D C E angle, and the both are same in measures. These two angles same. If this one is 75 degree, this one will be 75 degree. Draw an angle and copy it. So we can take here X like P and PQ. You can consider here Q, PQ. This one is R. So AOB, and we can see D, and this one we can take F, then this one may be G, and PQR, G, this one we can hear H. Okay. Now this is the first one. Draw an angle and copy it. Almost maximum student exactly you can draw the figure, but sometimes in the exam hall we see you student do not write the descriptions of the figure. without writing or explanation of the figure, you will not get here the full marks. And the question mark will be 4. And if you draw only figure, you will get here 2 marks out of 4. And if you describe step by step, you will get here 2 more. That is total, this one will be 4 marks. Without step writing, you will not get here the full marks. So how to write the step? Okay, just hear me properly. I will discuss one by one. My dear students, draw an angle here. Let AOB be an angle. It is required to draw, it is required to copy this angle. Again, let AOB be an angle. It is required to draw, or it is required to copy this angle exactly. Now, construction step 1. The first step, draw any ray CD. This is the first one. Draw any ray CD. Step 2, placing the pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc PQ and draw the same arc on CD, which is GF. And step 3, again placing the pointer, this arc intersect OB at R, or you can say here PQ arc intersect OB at the point R. Now placing the pointer at P and taking the radius PR, and again placing the pointer at F and taking the previous radius, draw another arc on FG which intersect FG at the point H. Now draw a line from C, draw a line or draw a ray CE through the point H. So ECD be a required angle. So my dear students, I think this is clear to you. In the comment section you can write your opinion, is it clear to you or not? Then I will discuss as far as your demand. This is actually the figure how to draw an angle or how to copy an angle. If I give you here the 60-degree angle or 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle, exactly you can draw 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, but 25, 75, X. This information is given here, then you have to draw this exact angle by using this pencil compass. So if you use this protractor, in drawing the figure, you will not get here number, and this is only up to class 5, not for the students of class 6 and 7. So without using this protractor, only using this pencil compass, you have to draw the figure. So now, my dear students, in the comment section, let me know, is it okay to you or not? Yes sir, it's clear. Azra Menzabin says sir. Sneha Ghosh sir, repeat step again. Okay. Chapter 7, I think Arena Mumta says sir, chapter 7 exam ase. I think in your upcoming exams, chapter 7 is not in your syllabus, but we have only remaining chapter 7. That's why we are trying to complete our syllabus. Then we will come back to our regular activity. What is the syllabus in the maths? Already I have given in the last classes maths syllabus. So upcoming, actually the chapter 7 is connected with the chapter 6. In the last class I have given to you a homework. Draw a square by using length. Each side length will be 6 centimeter. So in this case you have to draw how to draw a 90-degree angle, because without 90-degree angle you cannot draw a proper square. So this chapter 7 is connected with the chapter 6. Sometimes creative questions may be like A and B from the chapter 6 and then see from the chapter 7. So that's why this is too much connected with your upcoming syllabus. But this is not directly in your upcoming math syllabus. The chapter 7, the construction part, is not in your upcoming math syllabus. Okay, I think someone said, sir, please say step writing again. Okay, give attention. I think how to write the step here. From first to last, I am just doing this figure again. Okay, my dear students, let AOB be an angle. It is required to copy the angle. Construction step 1. Placing the pointer at O, draw arc PQ. And placing the pointer at C, draw the same arc. Draw another arc with the same radius, which is GF or FG. Again, for step 1, I am repeating this one again. Placing pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw arc PQ. Taking the same radius, placing pointer at C, draw arc GF on CD. Here, step 2, here PQ arc intersect OB. Here PQ arc intersect OB at the point R. Now, placing the pointer at P, taking radius OR. Taking the radius OR and placing the pointer at F, taking the same radius, draw another arc on FG, which is FH. Again, step 2, PQ arc intersect OB at the point R. Now, placing the pointer at P, taking the radius PR, and now placing the pointer at F, taking the previous radius, draw arc FH on FG. Now draw a ray C and draw a ray CE, which passes through the point H. So ECD be a required angle. I think this is clear to you. My dear students, in the comment section you can write your opinion. Is it okay to you or not? We are going to discuss the next one. Another question we will discuss here. Comment section number 7, and now we will discuss comment section number 8. Comment section number 8. Bisect of an angle. Now we will discuss here comment section number 8. Bisect of an angle. Number 8, bisect of an angle. Construction number 8. bisect of an angle. I think, my dear students, board is okay to you? Okay. Bisect of an angle, and this is our second part here. Now draw any angle. Then systematically bisect the angle. This is the first ray. This is O, A, and another ray here. And this is OB. So bisect means, suppose this angle is 80 degree, then you have to divide this angle into two equal parts, like 40 and 40. If this angle is 75 degree, then we will divide this one into two equal parts. So my dear students, the question is bisect of an angle. So this is an angle. It is required to bisect the angle, which is construction number 8. So now, okay, bisect this angle. First step, placing the pointer at O, draw an arc on OB and OC, and this arc is X and Y, which intersect OA at the point C and OB at the point D. This is the D. This point is C, this point is D. Now, another step, taking radius greater than half of CD. Taking the almost half of CD, just take a measure. This one will be greater than half of CD. That means it's greater than half of CD, and placing the pointer at C, taking radius greater than half of CD, draw an arc inside the angle, and taking the same radius, placing pointer at D, draw another arc on previous arc. These two arcs intersect each other at the point E. Now draw a ray from O through the point E. Which is OM. Here angle BOF equal angle FOA. That is the previous angle bisected. That means two equal portions. If this angle is 60 degree, this one will be 30 and 30. If previous angle was 80 degree, the bisect part, each portion will be 40 degree. So this is bisect. This is the bisect of an angle. The previous angle, or we can write here like BOF angle equal half of BOA angle. That means each portion divided this previous angle into two equal portions. Now step writing, I think figure is okay to you, my dear students. Let me know, is it clear to you or not? How to write this step here? Dear students, okay, let AOB be an angle. It is required to bisect the angle. Construction step 1. Placing pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc XY which intersect AB at the point C and OB at the point D. Step 1 complete. Again I am repeating this one. Placing pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc XY which intersect AB at the point C and OB which intersect OA at the point C and OB at the point D. I am repeating step 1 again. Placing the pointer at O, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc XY in the angle AOB. The arc XY intersect OA at the point C and OB at the point D. Now step 2. Placing the pointer at C, taking radius greater than half of CD. If you take the radius like this, these two arcs never intersect here inside the angle. But that's why we say here, placing the pointer at C, taking radius greater than half of CD, draw an arc inside the angle. And taking the same radius, placing the pointer at D, draw another arc on the previous arc. They intersect each other at the point E. Step 2 complete. Now draw a ray OF which passes to the point E. So OF ray bisects the angle AOB and the construction is done. Finally, in the final step here, OAF equal angle FOB or AOF angle equal to half of angle AOB. I think, my dear student, is it clear to you or not? In the comment section you can write your opinion. Inshallah we will discuss the next one today. Dear students, please write in the comment section, is it clear to you or not? আহানা তাহলে স্যার বাসায় যাও ইনশাআল্লাহ, টাইম অনেক ভালো। Yes sir, it's clear to you. বুঝছি স্যার। Okay, my dear students, inshallah we are going to discuss here the next one. This is the construction number 8, how to bisect an angle. Yeah, it's clear to you. You are trying to comment here. I think it's clear. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to discuss here the next one. Construction number 8 already done. Construction number 7 already done. 6 done. And now we will discuss here supplementary angle. Using the ruler line, a line segment, draw a equilateral, draw a perpendicular bisect of a line segment. Perpendicular bisect of a line segment. Question number, okay. Now from chapter 7, question number, using protractor, draw a 45 degree angles. Question number 16, chapter 7. Okay, my dear students, we will discuss question number 16. Already construction up to 8 done. Now we will practice chapter 7, which is question number 16. Our next content is exercise 7, question number 16. Now this one is exercise 7, question number 16, page, I think this page is 157, 157. Question is, this question number is draw angle 45 degree without using draw angle 45 degree. So this is our work done here. Okay, my dear students, 45 degree angle is our requirement without using protector. Without using this protector, only using the pencil compass, you have to draw angle 45 degree. So already you know this one, without using protector, only using this compass, and you have to draw 45 degree angle. This is our requirement. So in 45 degree angle, we all know, first we will draw 90 degree angle, then we will bisect. Bisect of 90 degree angle will be 45 degree angle. So first we will draw 90 degree angle, a right angle, then we will bisect 90 degree angle, each portion will be 45 degree. And this is our this is the last one, my dear student. Just wait only 10 minutes. This is O A, and we will draw a 90 degree, that is a perpendicular line here. Now placing the pointer at O, we will draw here 90 degree, taking any suitable radius, draw an arc, and taking the same radius, placing the pointer here, draw another arc on the previous arc, and taking the same radius, placing pointer here, draw another arc, and this will be, the same radius, placing the pointer here, draw the first arc, and placing pointer here, draw another arc. Already 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle done. Now the first one we can think here, X, Y, this we can mention here, like P, this one is Q, this one is R. Now draw a line, this is O B, which is a 90 degree angle. This one is OA, OB is perpendicular on OA. Now we will bisect the angle here. I think this is okay. Okay. Now AOB, here AOB angle equal 90 degree. But now draw 45 degrees. So if we bisect 90 with the 2, this each angle will be 45 degree. Definitely now we will bisect 90 degree angle. So already we have shown how to bisect an angle. So in terms of bisect, just find out here, this is the one point, this is the another point, P, Q, R, and you can consider this one as another point here. Now placing the pointer here, X, placing the pointer at X, taking the radius greater than half of XS, draw an arc here. I think this is not looks so good. And so the first one, why this is, yeah, now it's okay, looks good. And another point here, OB, intersecting point, bisect. So already bisect down here. These two bisect lines intersect each other at A, B, C are, we can use here P and Q, P, Q. Okay, this one is, we can mention here W. Now draw a line. This is C. So here COA angle equal BOC angle equal 45 degree. Which is required angle? Anyone. This one is also 45 degree, this one is also 45 degree. Because 90 degree angle bisected, that's why each angle measures will be 45 degree angle. Draw an angle 45 degree. Directly you cannot draw for 45 degree angle. So this system is, first you have to draw 90 degree angle, then bisect this angle, and each portion will be 90 degree. Now just 2 minutes. Just give attention how to write this step one by one. The first one, let AOB is a 90 degree angle. You don't need to describe how you have done here 90 degree angle, but your requirement is only 45 degree angle. Or if you want to explain this one step by step, you can say here, take the AD ray OA and draw a perpendicular line OB on OA, which is AOB is a 90 degree angle. Now it is required to bisect the angle AOB. And now placing the pointer, like placing the pointer at X, taking the radius greater than half of SH, draw an arc inside the angle, and taking the same radius, placing the pointer at S, draw another arc. Two arcs intersect each other at the point W. Now draw a ray OC which passes through the W. So COA or COB equal 45 degree, which is required angle. So my dear students, inshallah next class we will practice here 2 creative questions already given here in the last side of the exercise 7. Now just I will give you some homework. You are getting next 2 days off, so next Sunday you are getting 3 days. That's why you have to homework question number 16 using the bisect the lines 13, 14, 16. 13, 14 and 16. Homework exercise 7, number 13, 14 and 16. Practice construction number 6 to 8. Okay, my dear students, you can practice today's work done 6 to 8 construction, and the homework is only 13, 14 and 16 number question from exercise 7. So dear students, hopefully see again with you in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.